are pleased to show you the 2017 Chrysler 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, premium sound system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.